Can't stop, won't stop. Where the brakes at? I give him that diddy bop. Like take that, take that, take that, take that. I'ma put in work, I'ma do that ASAP. Throw my faith in rap, but they say don't say that, huh? What I'ma turn down for? I feel like Shaq in 9-4, breaking glass in that backboard. I like Kobe and Toronto, huh? Dropping 81, yo I dropped the 88. Ricky Bobby, shake and bake, sleeping on it, should've stayed awake, huh? Everybody make mistakes like VJs, tryna say my name, it's Minio. Say it with me, Minio. Okay, great, 2 forks high, raise the stakes, risk it all, I take the hate. This the winning team, get the Gatorade. My guy good, but he's not safe, nah. They try to shut us down and it ain't gon' slide. Only thing I fear is God and he on my side. That's the confidence I got, cause he got me. That's why I really feel like you can't stop me. That's all you got. Come on with it. That's all you got. You can't stop me. You don't got the power. Shut me down. That's not enough. I'm my biggest problem. You don't got the power. Shut me down. That's not enough. You can't stop me. You're my biggest opponent. You know me, I know you, we know it. Whenever I fail, you always been there to simply remind me I've blown it. You don't see when I'm growing. You don't see where I'm going. I said if I cannot stop me, then you'll never stop me, oh no. Can't stop, oh no, won't stop. I said if I cannot stop me, then you'll never stop me, oh no. Can't stop, oh no, won't stop. I said if I cannot stop me, then you'll never stop me, oh no. Can't stop, oh no, won't stop. I said if I cannot stop me, then you'll never stop me, oh no. You can't stop me.
I'ma turn down folk. I'ma turn down folk. I'ma turn down folk. I'ma turn down folk.